Hi everyone! Today, tuturo ko po sa inyo ang paggawa ng no-bake Black Forest Cake. Yes, kung wala ka pong oven, no problem. At eggless pa po ito mga sis, kaya sobrang tipid po ng ating recipe today. At hindi na natin to patatagalin pa. Kung bago ka pa sa channel ko, well, hello there and welcome to my channel. At narito ang mga ingredients na ating kailangan. All we need is isang cup ng flour, isang cup din ng brown sugar, 1/4 cup ng cocoa powder, isang cup ng water, naka-room temperature po ito, at 3/4 teaspoon ng baking soda, at 3/4 teaspoon din ng baking powder, at 1/2 teaspoon ng salt, at 1/4 cup ng cooking oil. We're all set at sisimulan na natin. Sa ating mixing bowl, sift lang natin ang mga dry ingredients. Ang flour, baking soda, baking powder, at salt. Then, isift lang natin together para maiwasan itong buo-buo. Then, follow natin ang cocoa powder at brown sugar. So, continue lang tayo sa ating wet ingredients. Just gradually add water. Naka-room temperature po ito, so hindi ito malamig at hindi rin warm. Just the usual tap water lang po. Then, cooking oil. Now, gagawa na tayo ng ating frosting. And of course, Black Forest Cake is not complete without our chocolate toppings. At narito ang pinakamadaling way sa paggawa ng ating toppings. course, Black Forest cake is not complete without the maraschino cherries. Ang ating maraschino cherries. Well, cherries na yun mga sis. Kaya ito na, ilalagay lang natin ito sa aking frosting. Well, thank you so much sa inyong panonood at sana nagustuhan niyo po ang ating recipe for today. And next is gagawa naman tayo ng isa namang yummy recipe guys. Kaya huwag kalimutang i-click ang notification bell para ma-update kita sa ating next recipe. At nag-upload tayo every week. Kaya thank you so much and enjoy cooking!